Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Samsung DeX on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. Okay, if you want to use the Samsung DeX, you gotta prepare a monitor or a TV, it's up to you. And we also have a few ways how we can connect with our monitor. First, open up the settings, go to connected devices, scroll down a little bit until you find Samsung DeX. You can connect devices wirelessly, it's up to you. But in my case, I'm about to use the USB-C cable. So now I'm about to connect both devices to each other using the USB-C cable, just like that. And now, within a few seconds, we should have both devices connect to each other. As you can see, everything is fully working. And now, when it comes to the Samsung DeX, we have a touchpad that we can use. To enable it, you gotta tap on this icon on the left side, just like that. In my case, there are lines right now on the screen, but the screen is too dark and it's impossible to see. So you gotta trust me that it is how it is. You can also rotate the touchpad. If you double click the information icon, you have information about gestures. So to select objects, open apps and activate buttons, we just gotta click once. When you tap with two fingers, you can show more options menu. That's like a right click. If you swipe with two fingers, you can scroll in any direction. If you pinch with two fingers, you can zoom in or out. We have touch and hold, select objects on the screen. We can move objects around the screen or select a text when we touch and hold and move. If you tap with three fingers, you go back. If you tap with four fingers, you can show the app screen. If you swipe up or down with three fingers, it will view recents or the home screen. And the last thing is switch between apps, swipe left or right with three fingers. So now let me show you how it works. If you start moving, you can see that we have a mouse. And now we are just, mirroring the screen on our monitor. Now, let's try to swipe through the settings. We gotta use two fingers. As you can see, I'm moving down and up, so everything is fully working. You can, for example, minimize the windows. If you click on that button, you have a list of all apps that you can turn on. For example, we can launch Google. And in here, everything is fully working. It's not that hard, but you gotta get used to it. You can, of course, explore your gallery. We can check our photos, for example. Really easy thing. Okay, and remember that if you unplug the cable, you will lose the connection. So that's the thing. Let's try to hold with two fingers. Actually, we gotta double tap. And let's try to change the wallpaper maybe. Let's go to featured ones. Maybe let's change for this. It can be for the lock screen and also for the home screen. Let's go with both. Okay. And now we gotta select set on lock and home screens. If you forgot some gestures, don't worry. All you gotta do is to double click the information button and you can go back and see what to do. Okay, maybe let's try to move an object. Let's hold on the nodes and we can drag it somewhere else. For example, in here. Let me do it again. Select the object, hold the touchpad, and then place it anywhere that you want. Of course, during the whole time, I'm using my phone. If you double click the X button, you go back to your phone and you can use it normally. I'm wondering, do we have some cool Samsung DeX settings. If you want, you can use, for example, the on-screen keyboard. If you're interested, if you go to more settings, you can change the languages and many more. Of course, you can do a lot of more things thanks to the Samsung DeX, but I'm just showing you some basics. If you want, you can also connect the mouse if you're interested. And that's basically how it works. It takes some time, but I'm sure that you'll handle it. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.